Well, a Georgia judge, some people think this is pretty exciting. It's interesting for sure. Now ordering Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis to respond to accusations she hired a romantic partner, a love interest, as top prosecutor on the election interference case against President Trump. Now, Willis has until February 2nd to submit a response in writing. The claims made by an attorney of one of President Trump's co-defendants. All of this discovered by the Atlanta Journal-Constitution. And Tamar Hallerman is a senior reporter for the Atlanta Journal-Constitution. She joins us. You broke the story, Tamar. Are people in Georgia thinking this compromises D.A. Willis's case against the former president?
Well, it certainly depends on who you talk to. There's many folks who do believe that it could compromise this case, that it could end up being moved into a different DA's office. There's other folks who say not so fast. There's no evidence presented to back up these claims at this point. The attorney who filed these claims has indicated that a lot of the proof might be tied up in the divorce proceedings of the special prosecutor who's allegedly in this romantic relationship with the DA. So at this point, we're all in wait and see mode. This hearing on February 15th will certainly be closely watched. We may learn lots of new things, and of course, getting to see what the DA says in writing by February 2nd. The DA has been mostly silent to this point. She did give a very emotional speech at a Black church here in downtown Atlanta over the weekend, where she talked about being an imperfect and hard-headed person. She defended the credentials of the special prosecutor at the center of all of this, but she has not addressed the central allegations.
Well, in his name, the prosecutor, Nathan Wade, we're showing his image there. I'm sure there are some who read the paper, who hear about the story, and they think, whose business is it's not our business what the DA is doing, who she's vacationing with, because allegedly, she and he went on trips together and maybe had used money that he earned from this investigation, from this case in legal fees to pay for her to take those trips. What has been the response from readers?
I've gotten lots of responses like that on social media and via email who say the same thing. Why is this your business? Especially, this is the first female DA in Fulton County. This is a Black woman. Why do you care? This has the potential to derail this case in Fulton County. These allegations weren't just made on the campaign trail. They were made in court filings. And this defendant in this case, Michael Roman, is not only seeking to get the charges against him dismissed because of this, but he's also trying to get Fani Willis kicked off of this case. So this could have enormous implications in that respect. And he's alleging some pretty serious things. He's basically saying the DA has a conflict of interest, that she might be violating federal laws that bar any sort of kickbacks from contractors that she may be working with. Those are serious allegations.
And it sounds like your paper, as well as many other media outlets, they want the divorce case that Nathan Wade happens to be going through, if this couldn't get any messier, unsealed to get more information about exactly what his estranged wife is saying and whether she's in cahoots with this attorney representing that co-defendant. What would it take? Wouldn't it take a little bit more evidence to justify getting those files?
Well, technically, under Georgia law, divorce proceedings are supposed to be unsealed. The attorney behind all of these allegations is arguing that the case was improperly sealed in early 2022. So there's going to be a hearing about that at the end of the month. But DA Fani Willis yesterday issued a response. She was recently subpoenaed to be deposed as part of these divorce proceedings. And she argues that, she has no role. She should not be interviewed in all of this. Their marriage was done, that the estranged wife of her special prosecutor didn't bother her, that this case was sealed for the last 2 years, and basically alleging, well, you're not contesting it now. You are probably in cahoots with these Trump defendants. We don't have proof of that at this point, but it will be very interesting to see where things go from here.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.